Peter, you have been late 5 times this month.
I remembered I just was late 3 times.
Let me check the timesheet. I'm right. It's 5 times.
I estimate the bonus for this month will be deducted.
Yes, but why are you always late?
You know, there is always this traffic jam in rush hours. Commuting to work by bus takes me a long time.
Why don't you take metro?
I never really thought about it, but I will give it a try.
Just try to be punctual.
Hello, Mr. Smith. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Peter. Please be seated.
You wanted to talk about the project?
Yes, your work on the project was pretty good. I think you performed very well.
Thank you.
I do have few suggestions for you.
Did I make any mistakes?
No, there are no mistakes, but some of the presentations need to be more detailed.
Oh, I'll take care of that.
Keep up the good work, Peter.
I'll keep doing my best. Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Good morning, Peter. Great work on that report.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Yes, the clients were very impressed.
I'm glad to hear it.
I hope you can do the same with the new assignment too.
Of course, you can count I will.
Hello, Peter. Come and have a seat.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. You wanted to see me?
I wanted to talk about your performance this week.
Yes, I know there were a lot of mistakes.
Well, you're right. But you have done such good work in the past. I think you were a bit off this week. Do take care for the next one, will you?
Sure, Mr. Smith, I can do better.
I'm sure you can do better.
Thank you.
Hello, Peter. Please have a seat. You wanted to see me, right?
Yes, Mr. Smith, I have made the pitch to the client and now we are waiting for the order.
Waiting? I thought you'd bring the order along with you, Peter.
Well, not this time. These guys are not so easy to negotiate with.
I'm surprised. You have always closed deals early. This one's the odd one out.
I know, sir, everyone has a bad day.
I'm not worried. I'm sure you'll clinch it.